Hello everyone, this is Dr. Williams again with another short video. This video is going to be about using cubes to attack word problems. So if you recall, the C in CUBE stands for circle the numbers, U underline math action words, B box the question, E eliminate useless information, S cube select a strategy, set up the problem, and solve. So here's our word problem, our example for today. Last week, Ashley ran 36 miles less than Amanda. Ashley ran 9 miles. How many miles did Amanda run? So the C in CUBE stands for circle the numbers. So let's go ahead and circle our numbers. We have 36 and we have 9. The U stands for underline math action words. Well, the math action words here would be less than to me. Less than, less than. And then in the question, how many, those would be considered math action words as well. Those would be words that indicate add, subtract, multiply, or divide. B stands for box the question. So the question is, how many miles did Amanda run? E stands for eliminate useless information. Well, I'm sure that Ashley and Amanda are very nice people, but I don't need to know that this all occurred last week. I just need to know this is my problem. And really, you don't need to know their names, Ashley and Amanda. You can say person A or person B, but just for confusion, I'm going to leave that information in there. So really, the only useless information is when this occurred, which was last week. So I did a double strike through. And then lastly, select the strategy, set up the problem, and solve. So the strategy I'm going to use for this one is to create an equation. And then the second S is set up the problem. So I'm going to set up this problem like this. Ashley ran 36 miles less. So that indicates subtract. Ashley ran 9 miles. So she ran 36 miles less, and Ashley ran 9 miles. So I selected my strategy, which is create an equation. I set up my problem, and the last S is to solve. So the answer to this problem would be 45 miles. Remember the strategy we use. We use cubes to attack word problems. Circle the number, underline the math action word, box a question, eliminate useless information, select a strategy, set up the problem, and then solve.